So, good morning, students. Again, we are back. Our house and home. Now, nest. We studied about the nest. We were dealing about the nest, which is prepared by the birds. Now, a lot of efforts are taken for building this nest. One thing, bird has to fly away, bring one thing, collect many things. They have to move many times from one place to another to build this nest. And students, people, what they do, they go for a picnic. When this kind of nest are seen, what they do, they bring it to their houses. This is wrong thing, because you have brought the building which is constructed by the birds for themselves, you have brought it to your house, where the birds will go. What they will do? How they will live? Where they will sleep? You never thought about this. You just, for making yourself happy, what you do, you bring that nest. That is wrong. What kind of efforts they are taken? Even think about the efforts, whatever building is constructed by your parents for you. Means your house. How beautiful house they are constructed, and you make it dirty by many things. There are lot of hard efforts by your parents. Each and every member of your family work, they earn, and then by earning something, they build a house for you. You should have love for this house. Even for the nest of the birds, never to bring that nest at home, because it is the house of birds, home of birds. As you live in your house, students, every time see that you are giving respect to elder ones. It's not only by wishing them. Whatever work you find you can do at home, you should help, you should contribute for your parents, your family members. All ladies and women, you should treat them with respect. Whether they belong from your own family, from others, you should treat every woman, every lady with respect. Parents, every time they take care of you, they ask you, even if you are not taken tiffin box in school, they bring it, they give it here again in school. But never you thought of asking your parents, have you ate food? Have you asked your mother, can I help you in some activity? If at your home, if your mother is not keeping well, have you done something at home? You just think over these things. You should have a habit of asking. Even your parents, they are working so hard for you. You should ask them whether they ate food. Or continuously, if they are working, you should ask them whether I should help you in your activity. If somebody is not keeping well, try to help them, either giving medicine or something. That's things all the students should learn. We people every time needs the support of others. Keep in mind, it's not alone you can do all the things. The support is needed. It depends on others. Now, next topic, it is components of environment. Now, this environment, it mostly depends. There are components. Components, that is plants and animals, are the components of this environment. We human beings are also part of this environment. It's not only plants and animals, we are also the part of this environment. As everyone wants to live a happy life, everybody should be able to live a happy and content life. Everyone must feel safe and secure. What we do and how we behave affects our environment. That is as a component of this environment, how we should behave. We should keep our surrounding clean. Environment, if it is clean, your family never will be affected by any disease. There are many things. This you can try at home. Apply ink on your fingertips. Get their impressions on the piece of paper. Do your fingers and those of your friends look different? Look at two leaves on the same tree. Do you see any difference? There are many differences. Every finger, your friend and your fingertips, it will not be similar. There are a lot of difference. Even leaves, it is different. So you can practically check it at home. Next, it is how to behave with one another. All the leaves of one tree are not identical. It's not same. That leaf, if you see on the tree, it's similar to another. It's not same. Some of them it is big. Some of them they are small. Some of them even they have different colors. Even it is with flowers. All the flowers are not similar. Same with people. You'll find the appearance of the people, it is totally different. Even this, we saw about fingertips. I told you to do a practical of this. You'll find there is a lot of difference. There is no similarity in world. Some people they have something unique. Never to consider anyone inferior to ourselves. Even many times when you are moving across the school, in school also you have seen many trees are big, some of them they are small. Some of them they have weak stems. But we should support each and every one in all possible way. Students, one thing you should remember, that is India won independence on 15th August 1947. Everyone, it's like a festival on 15th August and 26th January here in our country. So, never to forget this date, that is India won independence on 15th August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day on this day every year. Every citizen of our country should feel proud on this day. It's not on this day, every day you should be proud that I am Indian. We got freedom. We are free now. Because as we got freedom, we are free to move from one place to another, to study whatever we wish. We can follow any occupation as we are the citizen of this country. We have our rights given by our constitution. And one thing also all the students should remember, independence we got means we can behave anyhow. It's not like that. We have some rules. We should follow these rules. Even when you come in school, we should follow the school rules implemented here. We should move in queue, that is in line. As bees are working constantly. We must be a good citizen of this independent India. For this, what we should do? We must have honesty, punctuality, perseverance and discipline. Good habits that are cultivated in the childhood are great use when we grow up. And these habits we should get in the child age only. So, this was about when we move from 3rd to 4th standard. This is the lesson. Just give a little bit trace to your brain. What are the advantage of a queue over a crowd? You can learn a lot by studying the environment. You will continue to learn more about it in higher classes when you go in 4th standard. So students, this was lesson number 26 of geography as we go from standard 3rd to 4th. So students, thank you and have a nice day. The question answers will be sent to you and afterwards immediately we'll start the revision. So thank you and have a nice day.